I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi. Your body, they make a wish.